Don't really have much. Actually, let's do this. Right, 81 cap. Jesus Christ. I haven't used one of these before, so here we go. Cobra, 600mm, green, sketched up, down a new little location to me. We have got the 81 cap and the Night Quill Lightning cap. I've had these sitting on a shelf next to my computer where I work at home, and yeah, they've been there for months, like literally 6 months probably, something like that. So today we're actually going to test it. So on the right hand side I'm going to use Night Quill Lightning. Interesting feature about these two, need a flat surface, but basically the little tube at the bottom is actually proud of the base. Normal caps aren't like that, so you can kind of like see it's wiggling around a bit. Maybe not the best example, but yeah. Yeah, 81 doesn't feel very comfortable, but there's been a lot on the internet, on Instagram, about these things. Is it 81 centimeters wide? That's why they call it 81 cap. So yeah, I got the male versions to go into the female cans. I don't bother. I'm not reviewing the female version of this cap because, well, I don't really use male cans. But yeah, we'll have a go on this. One thing I've noticed between the NightQuil and the 81 cap is the angle it comes out at. The NightQuil is much shallower, so you won't need to tilt the can as much of an angle, which means you also won't be able to get as high. So 81 cap should be better for that. Obviously today I'm not going to be testing its full capabilities. I'm just going to have fun with it. Don't really have much. Actually, let's do this. Right, 81 cap. Jesus Christ. I haven't used one of these before, so let's try and do it. Let's grab another can. Try to make this a fair test. So, space of a can off the wall. I've done this before. It's not really going to work with the angle, but anyway, let's go for it. Oh, so, yeah, that's like 1 2/3 or something of a 600ml can. Something like that. Actually, maybe 2. Close to 2. Yeah, I'll give it that. Right. Over to the NightQuil. Wonder what this is going to be like. As most regular viewers on my channel will know, I'm a bit of a fan of NightQuil products in general. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Let's go a little bit lower. Yeah, it seems wider than NightQuil. Oh, comes out at a weird, like, kind of curvy angle. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, weird. It's not straight. The 81's straight. I suppose if you're filling in big areas, does it really matter? But yeah, very similar. Probably about 2, same thing. Yeah, I think this is more ergonomic, feels much comfier. I wonder what you do if you pull back. It's just really spluttery. Bit of a stupid little test that. Anyway, yeah, fun to use these. I think I kind of prefer the 81 cap at the moment. I know they pretty much do the same thing, but yeah, it's cool. You can do some cool effects with these. Yeah, sick. Love it. Right, so a quick go on the NightQuil. Must be able to blitz through some cans with these things. So we go down here. Yeah, sick. You can do some wicked effects with these. I might even use them for pieces. They're more of a bombing thing, obviously, but you got to be. Let's go over that with the orange. I'll get the orange involved. Ugh, my face just got splattered. definitely. Right. Shit. I think the 81's like a cleaner cap. The Nightquil here seems a bit spluttery and like spitty, kind of like Osprey. See, maybe I'm not using them in the way they've been designed. Kind of like. All right. Actually, let's try and finish that one off. Here we go, left hand we got the Night Quill Lightning. Bit spluttery. Yeah, definitely quite spluttery. Right, green 81 cap. Definitely cleaner. Yeah, you definitely go through cans quickly with these. But yeah, it's obviously they're not meant for preserving paint. So, there we go. That is it for this video. So, right, quick breakdown of the two caps. If I had to choose between the two, it would be the 81 cap. I found the NightQuil cap, even though I love NightQuil as a brand, and generally most of their products I love, but I found it really kind of spluttery, a bit messy, not concentrated enough, so it meant it was a bit faded. But I suppose on the other hand, if you weren't using it for filling areas quickly, which is kind of what they're designed for, so I don't know why else you would buy it unless you want to do effects next to your piece, and that's the only reason I really use that one. The 81 cap, definitely more concentrated, and yeah, generally better for filling big areas quickly with a good coverage. So yeah, if I had to choose between the two, it would be the 81 cap. So that is that. Please subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.